In the preliminary announcement published on Thursday, the public were made aware of the deficiency in the income of the Performers Society, which performs a good work in a most practicable manner. Full stop. The offices of the society are situated in a building which is a fine example of the perpendicular architecture, but is in a state of decay. Full stop. Lately, there has been a discussion among the members on the powers of the committee, and many divergent views were expressed by the chairman and other members. Full stop. As a tribunal, the committee do not always show a dignified attitude. Full stop. Paragraph change. Among other observations, some of which were extremely strong in tone, the chairman, a person of prejudiced views, said there were many difficulties in the way, but it was not at all improbable that our new patents would revive our trade in the South America republics, as they were peculiarly applicable to the wants of its people. Full stop. Close.